Today I'm going to show you how to create a study on chess.com in just a few simple steps. If you've ever wanted to organize your chess ideas, save opening lines, or build a personal study space for analysis, this is the feature you need. On chess.com, the equivalent of a study is called a game collection inside the library section, and once you know where to find it, creating one is very easy. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech and chess tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open chess.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the site, look over to the left sidebar. You'll want to hover over the other section in that sidebar. When the menu appears, select Library. This is where chess.com keeps your collections and study style organization tools. Now that you're inside the library area, look to the top right corner of the page. You should see a new button or a Create New Collection button. Click that to start making your study. This is the part where you begin setting up your personal chess workspace. After clicking the button, a prompt will appear asking you to name your new collection. Type in a clear name for your study so you can easily find it later. For example, you might name it something like Caro-Kann Theory, King's Indian Ideas, or Endgame Practice. Choosing a good name helps keep your chess studies organized, especially if you plan to create multiple collections. Once you've entered the name, go ahead and click Create. Chess.com will generate your new collection, and now your study space is ready to use. From here, you can start adding games, notes, positions, and ideas, depending on how you want to build your chess study. And that's it. You've now created a study on chess.com by using the library and game collection feature. This is a great way to keep your opening preparation, tactical themes, and training material in one place. If you want to become more organized with your chess improvement, this feature is definitely worth using. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.